Gaara is a shinobi of Sunagakure. He was made the Jinchuriki of the one-tailed beast Shukaku before he was born, causing the villagers of Suna to fear him as a monster. With nobody to connect to, Gaara grew up hating the world and looking out only for himself, justifying his own existence by killing anyone he came across. After being defeated in battle by Naruto Uzumaki, a Jinchuriki like himself, who found strength in his friendships, Gaara starts emulating Naruto. He becomes Sunagakure's fifth Kazekage so that he can protect the village and all those who live there, in the process dispelling the villagers and the rest of the world's fear of him. Gaara's background. Because of heavy cuts to Sunagakure's budget, Rasa, the fourth Hokage, the dad of Gaara, wanted to make one of his children the Jinchuriki of the one-tailed beast Shikaku. His first two children, Temari and the Kankuro, had not been compatible with Shikaku. Rasa's third child, who would become Gaara, was compatible, and for that reason Shukaku was sealed into him by Chiyo. While he was still in his mother's womb, Gaara ended up being born prematurely and from the ordeals of childbirth. His mother, Karura, died. Before dying, Karura looked lovingly at Gaara's small form and vowed to always protect Gaara. So Gaara was raised in isolation during his early life, taught ninjutsu by his father and cared by his maternal uncle Asamaru, the name of his maternal uncle. When he was allowed to roam around the village, Gaara would try to connect with the villagers, being kind to them and offering them any assistance he could. However, being a Jinchuriki made the villagers frightened of Gaara. Adults avoided him, and when they could not treat him delicately, while children would run from him on sight, Gaara would try to assure them he meant no harm, but in the process would inadvertently injure or even kill them with his sand. Gaara did not understand this pain he caused others because his sand protected him from all injuries. When he was 6 years old, Gaara asked his maternal uncle Asamaru to explain pain to him. From Asamaru's explanation, Gaara believed he did know pain, the unbearable agony in his heart